Previously on part 1. So if you guys never watched part 1, basically all the TASS characters move to a new they move to a new they moved to a new town, right? Because their old town is pretty boring, and they want to have some fun. But then out of nowhere, a tornado just appears, and they have to figure out a way to get out. And a tornado just appears, and they go to a tornado shelter, right? But then the tornado just rips the tornado shelter out. So that's basically what happened, guys. Anyway, here's part 2. Hope you guys enjoy it. Anyways, let's begin. We already did this. Anyway, roll the episode, I guess. You escaped. Looks like the power's off, but to be honest, this place is absolutely loaded. We should get out of here. Dude, that's illegal. Whatever. Where's that car? What happened? Holy sh**.
This is as serious of a situation I've ever seen.
Come on, guys, let's get out of here. Get in the car, go, go, go. Whoa, that was something.